Hello, hello. Here we are back at the retreat. Today we got a great surprise. We went to the Restore and we found some gorgeous tile that we're going to use for our camping tent stove. Here it is. So we found this ceramic tile that's kind of got this wood looking texture. We found it at the Restore. So we're going to put it here. And we're going to put those ones against this wall here for our camping stove. For fire safety. So yeah, pretty exciting. That's what we're doing today. Check in when we're done. Bye.